In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Google Classroom app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To download and install the right Classroom app on your Android smartphone is pretty simple. You need to go ahead and find Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. Once you are on Google Play Store, go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll have an option to search the app by name using the search bar on top here. Or if you can't see it, just tap on search icon here and then just search Classroom like that, and then advance by clicking on search. And as you can see, this is the right Google Classroom app. Make sure it is from Google LLC. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.4 with over 1 million reviews. Now currently it has over 100 million downloads and the file size is over 22 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Google Classroom app, and then it will be installed on your Android smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed to open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, you should be able to see your app from here. Go ahead and tap on it to launch it, and this is the welcoming interface for your Google Classroom app. Here, go ahead and tap on get started to sign in with your Google account or Gmail, and you're good to go. So that's how you can install the right Classroom app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.